what I'm gonna do first is get my red, get a brush, get my red from my Bruise wheel. Did it focus? I can't tell if it's focusing. I think it did. I'm just gonna put a line down my face. Next thing is we're gonna open the liquid latex and just put a layer on. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just dumping a bunch in there. Probably did not need that much, but I wasn't paying attention. So, oops, but that's okay. Hopefully we can use it all. I also have cotton balls. I don't know if you need to, they're just cotton balls. Because we're gonna do like layers to make it kind of thick, because then it's easier to cut and it's easier to work with. We're just gonna put liquid latex all over, all over my face. No. So for this, I'm just taking the cotton ball and kind of making it thinner, like unrolling it and kind of just spreading it out. You can also use tissues. You're just gonna do as many layers of this as you feel like it. You can also go over and put pieces of toilet paper, which kind of helps. I might do that, but I'm gonna do a few more layers of these and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay, so welcome back. Just make sure this is focused. Okay. So I put a few layers of toilet paper on there. I did one cotton ball and then 2 toilet papers because I kind of screwed up the first toilet paper layer, but it's pretty thick now. I'm gonna let it dry out. Excuse me. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more, but it needs to dry a little bit more. So far, I'm just making that a little bit more. So we're gonna like, it's gonna be gross. Hopefully it'll be gross. Okay, so now we're just gonna let that dry. Ooh, this is getting dry. You wanna let it dry between layers too, not just all at the end, because if you just do layer and layer and layer and layer, then it's gonna be a lot harder to cut. It's gonna be really annoying. Hope you're enjoying this super exciting video. This next part. If you're not a fan of sharp things near your face, this is not for you. These are hair cutter scissors that somebody gave me, but they're like the best scissors I have, so. So if you're gonna do this, do latex, cotton ball, latex, toilet paper, latex, cotton ball, like that. Sorry, my nose itches right here. Okay, so I'm gonna do my other eyebrow and let this dry, and I'll be back. Okay, so I finally cut through the whole thing. I would definitely suggest just let it dry, because that was a hassle. My hand hurts from cutting with the freaking scissors, but got all the way through. So I'm just gonna go back and just reinforce a little bit. What I want to do is make the eye part kind of more bleh. Just stick a little bit of cotton in there. Here we are. And just gonna let it dry a second. We're gonna start adding color. Really need to let this dry. I think we're gonna start coloring with my Bruise wheel. Gosh dang it. Bing, bing, bing. I already showed you. I already showed this, but I love it so much. And then my favorite thing ever, my jug of blood. Most of the time, I feel like you want to aim for having logic with your makeup looks. Whatever, who cares? For this, I have all my brushes that I cleaned in my last video. What I like to use for doing with my Bruise wheel is like fluffy brushes. I usually use fluffy brushes like that. So I hope that makes sense. My Bruise wheel. I'm going to take the blue and red and get the inside of it. And you know what? I'm a busy lady. I got shit to do. Let's hurry this up. Now, what I'm gonna do, pretty much the final step, I guess. Take some fake blood. I'm gonna just pour it in the cap. I'm kind of just gonna paint with it. Oh shoot. With my blue, I'm just kind of like outline my eye socket. So you can kind of so you can tell that my eyeball is there. And I'm gonna blend it out because it's good. Camera cut off because it's low on storage. So I went through, I deleted some stuff. Good thing is I'm done with this video, so just wanted to show you the final product. I didn't do what I wanted it to, that's okay now. So, yeah, so, I hope you liked this. I hope you want to subscribe. If you don't, that's cool. I'll just do this for me. Hell yeah.